Looking at the season we are right now, a lot of people are making a lot of money online every single day. And you see a lot of adverts that keeps on popping up on your phone, either on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and everywhere you on or you tune in, you see a lot of adverts that keep on trying to pop on your screen in order for you to buy those products. Why do you think this is so? This is because people have realized that this season is when a lot of massive sales and product purchase happens, because you see a lot of discount sales, you see Black Friday sales, you see every different kind of product everywhere, trying to see that they sell or make people buy that particular product. That is why they keep on popping up on our screen or on our phones. And people make a lot of money online doing all of these things. And in this video, we are going to be seeing how you can make money in e-commerce products that can give you money or make you millions this season, especially this period that we are right now. That is why this is the season where we experience massive online sales every single day. Yes, every single day. People tend to buy products from fashion, products from kitchen utensils, products about household items, gadgets, automobile gadgets, and all the rest. So in this video, we are going to be looking into some of these product categories that can make you enough money this season or this period that we are right now. Yes, so if you are new to this my channel and you are watching this video for the first time, or you are seeing it for the first time, please do well to like, comment at the comment section, leave your comment at the comment section, and do well to share this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop money making videos like this. All I do in this channel is to drop tips and tricks on how you can be able to make money online. So without more further ado, let's go into the first thing. So the first thing that we are going to be looking at is sales of children's fashion wear. Yeah, you selling children's clothes, children's wears, children's shoes, whatever thing that you know that children wear, all of these things can be able to make enough money for you this period of time. So the best way to sell this product or this item is to use a strategy that I call the combo offer. Yes, the strategy that I call the combo offer. Yes, this strategy is a strategy that can help you to make a lot of sales. We are in a period of time where parents tend to buy new items, new clothes, new wear, new shoes for their children in order for them to look good and for them to be happy, knowing that they are people who they care for. So parents buy all of these things for them. When I was young, my parents used to buy new clothes and shoes for us. Those days they carry us in their hand and then go to the market, look for the item that suit us or that we love, and at the end of the day they purchase it and then we are happy. But this time we are living right now, a lot of parents tend to not have the time all the time in order for them to start going to the market to start looking for product or shoes or clothes for their children to wear. All they do is to go online, look for products that they see that are beautiful, that are nice, that they think it will be suitable or nice to their children, and then they purchase it for them. Yes, parents these days don't have all that time to start going to the market to do all of those stuff. So when you are able to sell all of these products or have these items and then do the advert on Facebook or your Instagram, you see that you will be able to attract a lot of sales, because these people that we are talking about who would need this product are online. They are looking for this product online, they are busy, so in order for them to sort their need and to achieve this, they will just buy all of these items online without wasting much time. What you need to do is to go to the market, You can go to Aba, you can go to Onitsha, you can go to Lagos main market, go to the section where they sell children wears. To that section where they sell children wears, then approach or meet with the person who owns the shop. Talk with the person that you would love to strike a deal, or you would like to be buying things in wholesale and start selling. And the person will even love it and will even do a discount for you for buying in bulk in his or her hand. So in that place, take enough pictures of different items of children wear. Take enough pictures. It can be jeans, it can be shorts, it can be up and down, which is matching outfits. It can be shoes. All these shoes of children that have different lights or have a fancy light in it. Take a picture of it. When you have done that, you can now go and start seeing how you can be able to showcase it on your Facebook ad or your WhatsApp. So the first thing you need to do there is, after you must have purchased it, is to get a child, wear this item or this clothes, put it on them, then make a video with it. And then after you have made the video, know that the video you are making is for advert. It's for advert. Let the children wear it so that they will know that it's on different items or it's on different colors. When you do this, you see that you will be able to make enough sales. Because why I say you should take enough pictures is that people who Mr. A might like red, Mr. B might like blue. So when you take different pictures, these individuals, when you start talking with them, they will say, send for me different colors, I want to make a choice. So you will be able to send all of these products to them and they will make their choice. Now note, I said use a combo offer. This combo offer simply means you telling them what they will get after they must have buy a particular product or item from you. You can tell them that for them to buy a short or for them to buy an up and down from you, that it gives them the opportunity to have access to a wristwatch, a necklace, or even an eyeglass for children. Yes, tell them that these three items come together with this item that they are buying. This combo offer or this offer that you added to it will make you to have more sales. Yes, it will make you to have more sales because parents want to know what they will benefit for buying from you. They want to know what they will benefit extra for them to buy from you that is online that they are seeing. Because you telling them to buy from you, you are telling them that you offer them or they will get for free bangle, wristwatch, and even eyeglass if they buy whatever item that they purchase from you. So with them hearing this will make them to purchase that particular product from you. So they buy in sets and then you help them to see that they will benefit a lot when they buy from you. In this period when you give them offer, let the offer that you are giving to this individual have a specific time so that they will not abuse it. Yes, they will not abuse it. And then you need to know that you make a lot of sales on using this combo. You imagine you bought an item from all of these wholesalers and you bought an item for 5,000 naira and you are selling it for 10,000 naira and you are giving an offer of a watch, a wristband, and an eyeglass. This watch and wristband and eyeglass cannot be more than 1,500 or 2,000 naira, and you give it to them as an offer. You see that you will still be making a lot of gain. So all you just need to do is to give them an irresistible offer that will make them to buy that particular item from you. This will make you to make a lot of sales and you will be able to see that you will benefit from all of this stuff. So the next thing I'll be able to talk, maybe not dwell too much on this particular one. Let me move to the second one because I believe that you all understand what I'm talking about. Yes, the next thing I'll be talking about is main casual shoe. Yeah, main casual. When I'm talking about main casual shoe, I'm talking about the sneakers, the canvas that men wear. Yes, that men wear. The combo offer also applies to these individuals when you are selling to them. Yes, the combo offer applies to them. You can decide to offer items like double face belt. Yes, double face belt. We are living in a period of time where men don't like to buy too much of things. If you decide to offer them a double face belt, cufflinks, and a bangle, you will see that they will want to buy these items from you. Just imagine buying a belt that has two faces. The front is black and the back is brown, and the head can be switched or interchanged wherever position you want it. So men tends to look for something that will ease their stress instead of going to the market to have different type of belt in your house and all of that. When you offer something like this, it will make them to want to buy this product from you. Take for example, you go to the market, look for good shoes. You can go to different market and get all of these things. If you're in Port Harcourt, you go to my 1, my 3 to get all of these things. As in Lagos Island, you can get some of these items in bulk. All of these items are not all that expensive. With 15,000 naira, 20,000 naira, you can buy these items, and then you go to your Instagram or your WhatsApp and sell all of these products. They are not expensive. When you buy for 15,000 naira, you can sell for 30,000 naira. Check the amount of money you are making. So buy this particular product can help you to be able to make a enough sale for yourself. All you just need to do is to pick a nice or quality item, leather shoes, items that you know that can make individuals or they will like when they see it. If you're a woman and you know a shoe that you will love men to wear, you can pick it and then start selling it to them. If you're a man and you know quality shoes for men to do the same, you see that you will make a lot of sales. You run your Facebook ads and you'll be able to get a lot of individuals who want to buy those items. Imagine buying it for a lesser price and selling that amount. I bought a shoe recently. The shoe was 30,000 naira, and that shoe, I believe that those individuals do not buy it. Highest they will buy those products is 15,000 or 20,000 naira. But look at the amount they sold it to me for 30,000 naira. So that is to tell you that you can make a lot of sales when you do this. And they did not even give me an offer. It was just a shoe. But when you give them this offer that you will give them a shoe, that when they buy these shoes from you, that they will get a double face belt, they will get a cufflinks and a bangle, it will make them to want to patronize you or buy it from you. See, an offer makes people to want to get that thing even when they know where else they can get it. But getting it from you will make them to know that you are selling it with more offer or more things that they cannot buy with that amount. In their mind, you have been able to help them to know that you have what they want, but you are still making gain from it. So the third thing that we are going to be talking about is beauty product for women. Yeah, beauty product for women. Women tend to buy more when you offer them more for less. Yeah, women tend to buy or love to buy things when you offer them more for less, or something that they think they will buy for a higher price for a lesser price. Yes, women tend to buy more when it happens like that. And we are living in a period of time when women wants to look good. There are a lot of occasions, there are a lot of events, there are a lot of things or engagement they want to engage in, and they want to look good because looking good is a good business. So when these women want to look good, they go as far as buying different products or getting a lot of accessories, makeup stuff in order for them to see that they look good and look better for people who will see them. So if you go into the niche or the beauty niche of women and you pick a product and start selling, you see that you will make a lot of sales from it. So whether it can be pancake, it can be accessory, it can be makeup stuff and all the rest. All you just need to do is to use the combo effect. Yeah, use the combo offer effect. Offer them something that will make them to want to buy it from you. Because when they realize that they can buy more products from you on a lesser price, they will want to get that product from you. So a lot of things that you can sell. All you just need to do is to think about it. Think about what item, whether is it weed, is it makeup stuff, and all of those stuff. When you do that, you'll be able to make a lot of sales when it comes to selling beauty products about women. Then the next thing I'll be talking about is kitchen gadgets. Kitchen gadgets, yes. You all will agree that a lot of money is being made in this season if you find any product that will make cooking or make meal preparation easier and more convenient. Yes, when a product or a services can be rendered in order to make cooking or make meal preparation more easier and faster, people tend to buy that particular product and ease themselves from the stress that they will pass through doing it the manual or the normal method. So think about what item would do chefs, do women who cook, or people who cook would need in order to make their services or their work easier and faster for them to do. Think about it. Just like during this period of time, sometimes you find it hard to see people who sell barbecue. Then imagine a family gather together and they want to get barbecue and there's no way to sell it, but you can get a griller, a mini griller in which you can be able to use in doing barbecue in your own convenience, in your own house, at your ease, without stressing anybody. Doing this, selling this kind of product will help you to make a lot of sales in this particular period. What about selling blenders? There are different types of blenders. There are blenders that can do a lot of things, that can make work instead of using your hand or mortar pounding and all of those stuff and doing all of those. There are blenders that can serve more than 2 or 3 purposes. There are a lot of kitchen items that make work more easier these days. So all you just need to do is to pick on one of them, sell the product, and you'll see that you will be able to make enough sale. And don't forget the combo offer. The combo offer offers something, an additional product that will make people to want to buy such item. Then the last thing I'll be talking about is car gadgets and pimping. Yes, this is very important. People who sell car gadgets and pimp their car, or sell things that they use in pimping cars, they make a lot of money during this period. Yes, you will swim in money if you find any product that can make car more attractive, more appealing to the eyes, and make it luxurious. Yes, from far when you see a car that is being pimped or that is attractive, you can undergo the process of buying accessories, things that will make that car to be beautiful and nice. And people who sell these items or products make a lot of money. It can be items that they use in packaging the seat to make it better. It can be lights, fancy lights that will make the car to look beautiful, look fine, look nice. All of these things will make the car to look luxurious, and a lot of people are looking for such products. So if you go into this particular niche, it will make you get what you want. And all of these items that I just mentioned, you can be able to sell them at ease using WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the best place in which you can be able to sell all of these things, because when you use WhatsApp to sell all of these things, you will be able to close your sale, close your deal faster. People want to communicate with you directly. They want to see different samples of different products, and you can send the pictures to them and you will be able to close that particular sale. That is it, guys. If this video was helpful, do not forget to click on the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. I will reply to any comment that you could give, and then do it to share it, because there is someone who might be looking for help or who want to hear such information. Please do well to subscribe if you have not done that. Do well to subscribe and put on the notification button, and so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I drop videos like this.